Hello, welcome to Great Garden Channel. Peace lily is one of the most popular indoor plants thanks to its glossy green leaves, together with elegant white flowers full of vitality. However, after a period of care, many peace lily pots begin showing yellow leaves, drooping softness, slow new leaf growth, or the plant no longer developing as healthily as before. In today's video, I will share with you a simple way to care for peace lily plants that is easy to apply at home. The special thing is that this method only uses familiar ingredients available in the kitchen, yet it can help the plant grow more healthily over time. If applied regularly, you will notice the leaves become glossier green and healthier. The root system develops more steadily. The plant maintains good vitality and develops more healthily for a longer time. If you also love healthy green peace lily pots all year round, do not forget to press subscribe so you will not miss any useful plant care tips on the Great Garden Channel. Let us begin right now. First, use tea bags as the ingredient as shown in the video. Jasmine tea contains many natural compounds together with beneficial minerals that help support plants in developing more healthily over time. Here, I will use about 3 tea bags like this. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Next, gently open the outer layer and place all of the tea into a clean glass cup, as shown in the video. Using jasmine tea not only helps provide additional natural nutrients for the plant, but also supports the soil in becoming looser. Next, add about 500 milliliters of hot water into the cup to brew and help the natural nutrients in the jasmine tea dissolve more effectively into the water. Hot water helps the extracts in the tea release more quickly, thereby helping the plant absorb nutrients more effectively during use. Finally, close the lid and steep the solution for 1 hour. After 1 hour, when the solution has cooled, I remove the tea bags and keep only the pure liquid as shown in the video. This liquid is the natural nutrient solution that we will use to help the plant develop more healthily, helping the leaves stay green and maintain stable vitality over time. The next ingredient I use is vitamin B1 as shown in the video. Vitamin B1 contains many nutrients that help support the plant in recovering better when the plant becomes weakened, develops yellow leaves, or grows slowly. Next, add about 3 vitamin B1 tablets into the tea solution cup as shown in the video. After that, use a spoon to stir thoroughly, so the vitamin B1 completely dissolves and blends into the tea water. Stirring thoroughly helps the nutrients distribute more evenly throughout the solution, thereby supporting the plant in absorbing nutrients more effectively during use. The next step is to pour this solution into a clean glass bowl as shown in the video. After that, add about 1 liter of clean water to dilute the solution, helping the plants absorb nutrients more gently and effectively during use. That is it. We now have the organic solution to fertilize the peace lily plant. Method 1. Use a soft cotton pad or soft cloth lightly soaked in the tea water and vitamin B1 solution as shown in the video. Next, gently wipe each side of the peace lily leaves, including both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves. Using the tea water and vitamin B, one solution helps remove dirt attached to the leaves, supports the leaves in becoming more airy, and helps them absorb light more effectively. In addition, the natural nutrients in the tea combined with vitamin B, one also helps support greener, healthier leaves, increase plant vitality, and help the leaf surface become naturally glossier over time. You should apply this method about once each week to help the leaves always stay clean and healthy, while helping the plant develop more steadily. Besides peace lily plants, you can also use this solution to wipe orchid leaves as shown in the video. This solution helps orchid leaves become cleaner, glossier green, and supports the plant in maintaining more stable vitality over time. In addition, regular leaf wiping also helps remove dirt, water residue, and impurities attached to the leaf surface after a long period of care, helping the leaves become more airy and absorb light more effectively. Method 2. Use a specialized spray bottle. Take a suitable amount of the solution, then gently mist spray onto each stem, leaf, and around the base of the plant as shown in the video. Mist spraying helps the nutrients from the tea water and vitamin B1 spread more evenly across the surface of the plant, supporting greener, healthier leaves and helping the plant maintain more stable vitality over time. In addition, this method also helps increase gentle humidity around the plant, supports the leaves in becoming glossier, and helps the plant develop more evenly, especially suitable for indoor plants or dry, hot environments. You should spray a thin mist layer with a suitable amount and avoid allowing excessive water to remain inside the leaf joints to limit fungal diseases. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Besides peace lily plants, I also use this solution to mist spray Zamioculcas plants as shown in the video. This solution is also very beneficial for Zamioculcas plants, helping the leaves become glossier green, supporting the plant in maintaining stable vitality, and helping the plant develop more healthily over time. In addition, the natural nutrients from tea water combined with vitamin B1 also help support the root system in developing more steadily, increase water absorption ability, and help the plant limit yellow leaves or slow growth. When regularly cared for, Zamioculcas plants will maintain beautiful green leaves, strong stems, and the overall plant pot will appear much fresher and healthier. Method 3. Use a cup to take a suitable amount of the solution for use on the plant. The remaining tea water and vitamin B1 solution will be poured into a clean plastic bottle with a tightly closed lid and stored in the refrigerator, as shown in the video. This helps the solution maintain better stability while limiting dirt, bacteria, or fermentation after several days of use. With the remaining solution, place the plant pot directly into the solution and soak for about 15 minutes, as shown in the video. During the soaking process, the roots will gradually absorb water, and take in the natural nutrients from the solution more gently. This method helps the root system receive more even moisture, supports the plant in recovering better, and helps the leaves maintain stable, healthy vitality over time. Results: after about 2 months of regular application, the plants in the garden showed very noticeable changes over time. For peace lily plants, the most noticeable change is the leaves and the overall vitality of the plant. Leaves that were previously drooping, pale, or lacking vitality gradually became darker green, firmer, and naturally glossier over time. In addition, the plant also began producing many healthier young leaves than before. The newly grown leaves appeared fresh green, thicker, and healthier, while showing much less leaf edge burning or yellowing compared to before. The overall plant pot became much fuller of vitality and fresher. Besides that, the root system of the peace lily plant also developed more steadily, helping the plant absorb water and nutrients more effectively, thereby maintaining freshness for a longer time in indoor environments. For orchids, the root system developed more strongly than before. The root tips became greener and thicker, and the plants absorbed water better. Orchid leaves also became glossier green and thicker, healthier after a period of regular care. For Zamioculcas plants, the new stems developed more steadily. The leaves became naturally glossier green, and the plants maintained healthy vitality longer over time. When patiently applying the method correctly, you will see your garden become greener, the plants healthier, and the fresh appearance maintained all year round. If you found this plant care method useful, do not forget to press like, share, and subscribe to the Great Garden channel to follow more simple but effective plant care tips. Thank you for watching, and see you again in the next videos.